At Hard Hat Training, we know that employers want affordable trainings that are customizable for their company. Our DIY training kits allow employers to create the trainings they want by giving them the materials they need. The training kits include the PowerPoint presentation, the written test and answer key, reference guide, practical evaluation forms, certificate templates, and more. All of the materials are the original files, so the customer has full control over the content and style of their training. To purchase one of these training kits, go to hardhattraining.com. Once you find the training you need, select the DIY kit option. This will take you to a new page where you can select how you would like the kit delivered to you. If you select the download only option, after the purchase, you will be able to select your download, and a zip file with all the materials will be downloaded to your computer. If you selected the option that includes a CD or USB, our team will ship your company all of the materials saved on the CD or USB. Once you have all the files, you can then become as familiar with them as you need and edit them any way you want, so you can give the training that benefits your company the most. If you have any other questions, contact our customer support team at info@safetyprovisions.com.